Durk and Metro, nigga. Smirking Metro, nigga. The voice in Metro, nigga. All them killers felt when I talk. Ain't no disrespect in my block. I had Twitter fingers with the ops. Why they post my DM on the blog? I done fell out twice with my dog. Try to fix it twice through law. Chris Vex stuffed in the Glock. You can feel the threats when I talk. Told my bitch bros over hoes. Then a nigga told what he saw. Pull off on promoters on raw. I can't leave my pole in the car. Seen a nigga run on his feet. Surprised that he made it that far. Sorry about what happened to the key. I just pulled a 4 on my pop. See how she act with her rose. From the back I stand on my toes. I done shared dimes with the bros. IG bitches ironing my clothes. I done seen hoopers drink lean. I done served a line to a pro. I can get you slammed